Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript front-end web tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to compare the password and confirm password or save or not using a simple JavaScript code. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice password and confirm password. Now I am adding. Notice here the symbol I symbol. When I click that one, we can check that password Charan. I'm adding my name, and this one also. The passwords are not equal. Let's add Charan. Same passwords are equal now. If I add something, passwords are not equal. That's it. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is JavaScript-tutorials. And here it is, our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now, inside this folder, I will create one new HTML file called password and confirm password and confirm.html. And here we got the newly created HTML file is open. Let me minimize this Explorer as well as I am closing this welcome page. Now let's start the coding part. First I am adding simple doc type HTML elements, basic HTML tags which contains a HTML header, and below the header I am adding one body element. Now inside this body I am defining one div element which contains a class. I am adding some styles also here. Form container, div, another div class is equals to form group. I'm adding one label element, label for this label is for password 1. We require two passwords, no? Password 1, which is the label 1 password, and input type is equals to password, and ID is equals to, I am adding this one is a password 1. Let's close this input element. And after that, again, instead of writing the same thing, let's copy this one. I'm adding here, and this one is the password 2, which is a confirm password. Type password and ID. This is a 2. And after that, I'm defining div class is equals to result. I want to display here. The result is if the passwords are matching, I want to display the message is passwords are matching or not, and ID is equals to result. Let's close this div tag. That's it. Up to now we have just finished the designing part. Now below that I am adding one script element, and inside the script constant I am declaring a password 1 input element, password input 1 is equals to document dot get element by ID. This password I am getting from this ID, password 1. Copy this one and paste here. We require another variable for the password 2, which is a confirm password 2, and I am adding one more constant variable for result div. If the passwords are matching, I want to display the message. So document dot get element by ID. This ID I am adding here. Copy this one and paste here. Now after that, let's define one function. Compare passwords. Compare passwords. Constant password 1 is equals to password 1 input dot value. Copy this one, and this is a password 2 for password 2 input value. If condition, if password 1 triple equals to password 2, result, I want to display message here, text content is equals to passwords match, passwords are equal, I want to display this message if password and confirm password both are same. Else, copy this one, and the else part, passwords are not equal, and after that we require the event listeners, password 1 dot add event listener input, the variable element is the input, compare passwords. What is this compare passwords? Which is our function name. Compare passwords, copy this one. For the second password, confirm password 2. That's it. We have done the JavaScript functionality. Now we require the style. Let's add some style. Body element. In the body, font family Arial, margin is 0 pixels, and padding is 20 pixels, and background color of the body is, let's add the black color. Now the form container, notice this one, this is a form container, this is the class, so I need to add dot form container, between curly brackets, maximum width I am adding 400 pixels, margin is auto, border radius is 15 pixels, border solid 1 pixel, and black color, let's add the black color. I am adding the background linear gradient to right. I am adding the color of the form container color. Let's add purple color, and white, and let's add the blue. This blue color will change to this blue color. That's it. Now the form group of the class, we require the form group dot form hyphen group, margin bottom 20 pixels, text align center, and padding top is 10 pixels. Now let's add the label also. Label display block, font weight is bold, font weight bold, margin bottom is 5 pixels, 5 pixels. Input type is equals to password. The text boxes are password, so I am adding input type element. Padding around 8 pixels, I am adding 8 pixels. Font size is 16 pixels. And border radius, the border radius I am adding as usual 15 pixels. And the last one I am adding the result. So dot result is a class, so I am adding dot. Margin top 20 pixels. Font weight is bold. And text align I want to display at the center of this div container. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. Save. Now it's time to check the final output of our application. Open File Explorer. Now my folder I have created in the E drive, JavaScript tutorials, and here it is. Our folder is password confirm. This is my file name. Let's open that one. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice password and confirm password. Now I am adding, notice here the symbol I symbol. When I click that one, we can check that password. Charan, I am adding my name, and this one also. The passwords are not equal. Let's add Charan, same. Passwords are equal now. If I add something, passwords are not equal. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to check confirm password and confirm password are equal or not using a JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.